Hi everyone, I hope you've had another great week. Last week I challenged you to think about your business as a vehicle, and we talked about marketing and sales being the front wheels of your car and getting them aligned. Well, if they're the front wheels, what are the back wheels? Well, in the analogy of a car, what I say to people is, look, one wheel is operations, one wheel is finance at the back. Operations meaning who owns that wheel, who owns the consistent delivery of a wow service to your clients, who's making sure that that product or service is getting them to on time, in full, every time, and you're getting those really good reviews and consistency, because that's what's really important. On the other side, we've got finance. So who's actually looking after the numbers in your business for you? Do you know how much money you're making? Do you know how much profit you're making on a monthly basis? Are you invoicing people? Are you got your collection rates? And most importantly, because cash is king, whoever owns that wheel needs to make sure that your cash flow is really, really strong. So if you've got the two front wheels, marketing and sales, really working well, you've got a strong operational delivery and really good finance controlling your numbers and cash, then your vehicle is going to be in a really strong position to be ahead of the competition and to be a real success. So have a think about that, and we'll talk to you next week. Have a great week.